I got another package today, or yesterday, and oh my goodness, it's from Firearms101. Thank you very much. I wasn't expecting anything this gigantic, but you are so generous. I appreciate the love. So let's open it up. Since it's a big package, I got my Luzon from Tardisius. It's huge. Saute. Doesn't feel like there's any potential rickrolling going on. Hey brother, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Firearms 101. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas to you too. Cheers. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to set this down. Yes. And I know who needs one of these also. More cowbell. Yes, indeed. It's my snacking hat. Compare and taste. Okay. Firearms 101 is from Pennsylvania, and I used to live in Pennsylvania. So I have to do another video on these. So you got the regular Hershey's, two regular. Oh, yeah, they're different packaging. Yeah. Ooh, almond, and this is I think this is white chocolate. Milk. Oh, it says milk chocolate. Okay. So you got almond and regular milk chocolate. So. Oh, okay. So 2 almonds and 2 milk chocolates to compare. Will do. Yeah, more Romalos. Romalos are awesome. And they are made in Erie, Pennsylvania. Talked to somebody who was from that area, and they thought that, oh, JJ's Pies. And they thought that JJ's Pies wasn't made in Erie, Pennsylvania anymore, but apparently they are. Ooh. Violet crumble. I remember these. These are really good. Speaking of JJ's Pies, caramel apple. I've never tried caramel apple before. Wow, this is a lot of video content. Honey beef stick and spicy beef sticks. Where are these from? Millsburg, Ohio. Man, you went through a lot of trouble packing all this up. Moonshine bars. Black cherry bourbon, barrel aged whiskey, rum runner, the moonshiner. Huh. I guess they're some kind of candy? Hand painted truffles. Ooh. Illegally good. Smooth and creamy centers. Distillery collection infused with alcohol. Ooh. Never had that. We got tong jerky. Honey pepper teriyaki. Los Angeles. Close to Gunwild 1. S'mores. JJ's Pie. And it says, yep, JTM Foods LLC, Erie, Pennsylvania. They still there. It's gonna take a while. Lightly glazed pumpkin spice. That's interesting. Never had that either. Ooh, Romolo chocolate covered Oreos. Oh my goodness. That's a winner right there before I even taste it. I know that's gonna be a winner. You know, I haven't had these in a while. Now with more heat, Max Chicharrones. And I have to do a tribute to Mr. Holster. He was my encourager to consume pork rinds. Oh, another beef stick. Ghost Heat. Ooh. Ghost Heat. Thank you so much. Sweetly Divine Ghost Pepper Jelly. Ooh. That's gonna go good with crackers and cream cheese. Oh, man. You're the best. Salty shirt. Oh man, I love it. And just to let you know, my channel name was, as many people are this, you know, kind of have the same story. My channel name was a spur of the moment, you know, in the pre-dawn days of YouTube. You had to create a channel name in order to comment or rate different videos that you watch. So I'm in there, you know, I'm trying different things. I didn't want to put my name. I tried other things besides my current channel name, and I tried different variations. I'm a shellback, which is in the Navy. When you cross the equator, there's a initiation ritual, and when you get done with the ritual, you are an official shellback. And so I tried shellback, and you're known as a trusty shellback, and those names were taken. And so I said, well, how about salty shellback, you know, because sailors are salty in different connotations. So that's that refers to my channel name. Salty, you know, for sailors, because we're out in the ocean and, you know, the salt air. But salty also means, could mean expensive. When I lived in Indiana, people were talking about, man, I went and bought this thing and it was a little salty. So I'm like, well, what does that mean? Turns out it means expensive. And salty can also mean kind of abrasive. Yeah, when somebody gets salty about something, they're abrasive. So I guess I fit all those monikers. So let's get moving. Oh, more tongue jerky. Spicy sriracha. Man, these are gonna be some, I've got content for a couple months. Another jelly. Jelly for my belly. Best damn raspberry jam. Oh yeah. In fact, I think it was July when I finally finished the last jar. More jar stuff. Mason Farms Honey Mustard Dipping Sauce. Ooh. Made especially for Mason Farms, Erie, Pennsylvania. Cool, cool, cool. I like mustard. Honey mustard. Satan sauce. He makes really good mustard. I could drink that stuff. Mystery package. Mr. Payne. Execute your taste buds. Hot sauce. I got some ramen. Maybe we'll do some ramen. Vinegar, habanero peppers, oleresin, capsium, salt, Zaxxan gum. No pain, no gain. Rob, I think you spent like a month's pay on this. Pepper Place Fusion Ghostly Garlic Hot Sauce. Look at that. And cayenne hot sauce, aged cayenne peppers, distilled vinegar, water, salt, garlic powder, minced garlic, red habanero mash. Shake well. And it says it's medium hot. So I'll believe it when I taste it. A little hot sweet smoked meat stick. Pepper Place. It just keeps going. Black Rose hot sauce. Handcrafted by Pepper Place. It's the same that makes these beef sticks. Or is it? Yeah, Pepper Place. They're all from the same store. Anyway. Good golly, man. You are very generous. Thank you. Habanero mustard. That's all it says. Another Pepper Place one. Good golly. I believe that's it. It's just packing peanuts left. Thanks again. And that definitely deserves a lot of cowbell. Thanks very much, Rob. That's awesome. So let's do some pumpkin spice bump.